Good afternoon to all of you friends. I'm enjoying my afternoon session, sitting in a shed in a composed and blissful manner, and its season is almost at a change, though in daytime it's still hot and you are not able to go in the sunlight, but somehow morning and evenings are nice. There is somewhat coolness, and these things is a part of life. Season always changes. Today let us have a discussion on type of whether you need a good pair of sneakers for running. Here I may tell you that if you are an intermediate runner or advanced runner, you might be well aware that a pair of good cushioned sneakers is a necessity. Without them, it's not possible for you to go for a run and remain injury free. So, but before that, you must understand type of footage you have, that is pronation, how your foot naturally falls on the ground. Generally there are three types of pronations. Overpronation, where when while running a runner's foot twist somewhat inside, then there is a normal pronation. And lastly, underpronation. Underpronation means when your foot when falls on the ground, it twists outside. And here I may let you know that majority of runners fall under first category, that is overpronation. So before purchasing a pair of good cushioned shoes, you must know your type of pronation, and on the basis of that you can have a good pair of shoes. Because if you are a long distance runner, this pair of shoe become necessity. Otherwise you are most likely to be injured, and that will upset all your plans, your training. If you are more serious towards running, then I will advise you to at least have two pairs of shoes, so that you can rotate them alternatively while going for a running session. That will make you more comfortable, more safe, and you will be more injury free. Otherwise, if you have only one single pair, then daily using them, or if you are going for a run in a week 3 or 4 times, same pair of shoes may give some trouble to you. So having two pairs, then rotating them will make sense. You will be more safe. It's well said that precaution is better than cure, and of course I do agree with this thing. In the running world, if you go more deeper, then you might be knowing that if your budget allows, you can have separate pair of shoes for race day also. As far as my knowledge goes, and as far as my experience tells me, for 10K you can opt for Vaporfly, Nike shoe. These are good. These are carbon plated shoes. And if you go beyond 10 kilometers, suppose if you are preparing for half marathon, then For race day, you can have Asics Meta Speed Sky Plus shoes. These are very nice. I do possess these both type of shoes, and I have a quite good experience with these sneakers. Further, if you want to go beyond half marathon, that is for marathon or ultra marathon, then there are more specialized shoes. If you are preparing for marathon, the best shoes for race day are Adidas Adi Zero Pro 3. These are very nice shoes, though I don't have experience of that shoe because I have till date not gone for marathon, full marathon race, and in future, if possible, I will try that race also. These are the things which make sense, which make you more comfortable. Confidence is created in you, and you have experience of good sneakers which improve your time, which give you comfort,